Hello, Javier with Harris Plumbing. We're doing an installation of a tankless water heater condensing unit. And just wanted to let you know if you're going to do an install or if you're someone who's installing it for you, these are probably the things that you should look for. Make sure everything's fine and everything is kind of compliant with the way it should look like. Starting off with the exhaust, we got this nifty little adapter that allows you to suck in air from the existing unit, assuming you have enough space. Of course, you have your pipe going out for your exhaust. This is a PVC condensing unit, which makes it a little bit more economical to install for the installer as well as for the owner. What we like to do is get our gas hoses, connect everything with flexible piping, and of course our hot and cold waters we want to install them with isolation valves for easier future maintenance. This makes it easier to check out the unit and also makes it easier for when you have to clean the heat exchanger. Then you can do it from these valves and you don't have to take everything apart, and it makes the maintenance cheaper, and obviously that's always a good thing. We got our installer Luis right here finishing out the TMP lines, the drains that go outside, and as well as the condensing line. But this client opted very smartly to install his water filtration system for the heat exchanger, which minimizes wear and tear on it, gives it longer life, and obviously that's a good thing as well. So again, Javier with Harris Plumbing. This is what a typical install of a tankless water heater from us.